Nang malate sa taas.
Luneta? Okay, para malayo-layo naman dito, luneta. Okay, sa park na, luneta park tayo. Okay, so, saklolo, tulungan yung baby ko. Tulong! Tulungan yung baby ko, tulong!
Rescuer, nakita ko si
Tulungan
Daddy
ako.
nangingi ng tulong.
Tulong,
of
tulungan
course,
yung baby ko.
search the scene. Okay? Walang danger, walang impediment.
Still safe.
Yeah, safe. Sir, ano po bang nangyari, sir?
Kasi po kanina sinusubo ko po ng fishbowl eh. Hindi namin alam kung ano, parang nangisim na po sa kanya. Parang napinuuman po siya.
Okay, sir.
Fishbowl.
Ako po yung first aider. Pwede po ba tulungan ng baby nyo?
Okay, sige po, pakitulungan po yung baby po ha.
Okay, sir. Okay, so the baby just choking, no? Nahihirapan lang huminga.
Oo, hindi pa siya. Take note ha, conscious pa po yung baby.
Conscious pa yung baby.
Hindi pa po siya unconscious.
So the case we have is choking infant. Sinubuan ng daddy ng fishball. So what do we do for choking infant?
Check the area.
Check.
Mouth and nose are clear.
Mouth and nose are clear. The infant still cannot breathe. So, football hold. Head is lower than the body. 5 times flat.
Okay, mouth and nose are clear pa rin. Okay, mouth and nose are clear. Okay, may tumalsik na. May nakita ka ng tumalsik na pirang-pirasong fishball.
Tingin pa rin. May daddy na.
Okay, nag-unconscious ang baby. Nawala ng malay.
Daddy, tumawag ka sa 117. Sabihin mo yung baby mo nawala ng malay, hindi makahinga. Bumalik ka sa akin pagkatawag mo sa kanila. Magpadala ka mo sila ng tulong.
Okay.
Put the baby on a flat surface. And then, check.
Mouth and nose are clear pa rin.
Clear pa rin. And then, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010.
Okay, your baby is breathless.
Breathless. So I'll give 2 initial goes. Head tilt chin lift. First initial go.
Okay, air bounces back.
Okay.
So, tilt ang head. Okay, air goes in.
Air comes in.
Air goes in.
Okay. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010.
Baby is breathless pa rin. With breathing and with, with positive pulse, with negative breathing.
Negative breathing. I'll start rescue breathing. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014,